Came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on that.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I find myself and my dog Kim in the middle of a pretty sketchy situation because we have come, I think, illegally in a construction site. So I was having my pretty normal walk, and during our walk I saw some heavy duty machinery, so I thought to have a quick look, and in this way we found ourselves surrounded by super heavy duty stuff that we are taking a closer look right now. So we are looking at a lineup made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vehicles. One is a truck, a normal truck, so we are not going to spend time on it, but we are gonna start right there and then we are gonna get through all these amazing machineries. The first vehicle that I'm gonna show you is this amazing roller. Have a look at this beast. I think that the technical name for this type of roller, it has shape feet, and its purpose is to compact the ground beneath. The second machinery that we're gonna take a closer look is this huge excavator by Liebherr. Have a look, super huge. I do like this stuff a lot. Have a look at the tracks here, super tough stuff. Hydraulic pistons, hydraulic everything, and this machine is taking some stuff from there and taking it out of the river to make it clear, to make it nice for the water to go through. Super huge. Have a look at this, guys, at how big the bin of this excavator is. I can live inside here, and have a look at all the scratches at this. Wow. And they block every time, in every night, the other parts to avoid robberies. That is the exhaust pipe of the roller. This is super huge. Then we are gonna take a closer look to the bulldozer. Now here is Kim. This, guys, is the third vehicle that I'm gonna show you. A very nice bulldozer. Have a look. Komatsu brand exhaust at the front. Have a look at the blades here. Super heavy duty stuff. Do you like it? Radiator there with a vent, electric one. And guys, if you know something about the engine on this stuff, really do want to know how big is the engine inside here, inside there. I think that those machines run on diesel, run on super huge engines with a big volume, but with a low number of cylinders. Because I know that some excavator have a 4-cylinder diesel engine with a huge volumes, something like 10,000 cubic centimeters, something crazy. Oh, 911 in blue, nice. Then we have another excavator here, and this is really strange because it says hybrid. I don't know the name of the brand. I think Kobelco could be the brand. Hybrid may regard the type of engine it has. Maybe it can run on diesel and some electrical support for it. Have a look at the tracks, how wide that thing is. Those would be 2.5 meters at least. It scratches the surface here of the dirt with no problem. Have a look at all the hydraulic lines that run here. And last but not least, we're gonna have a closer look to this beast by Volvo. And here we can see this huge beast by Volvo, a huge lorry. It can hold a lot of rocks in its bed right there. Have a look at how huge are those tires. Have a look at the cabin. Let's take a closer look at the measures here. 235 on a rim of 25 inches. And we have the cabin right there, the bed here, and it can fold. And imagine how much stuff can be put inside there. It has 6 wheels, a light there, protected. They have even changed all the bolts here, they're brand new. They have made some work here to the steel. You have a sort of ladder to go on it right there to get to the cabin. All the hydraulic lines. Have a look at the exhaust pipes system here, exhaust there, light, orange light. And so guys, you already saw 5 heavy-duty equipments. I do love this stuff. The favorite of all of this is that thing by Volvo. Thanks a lot guys for watching this episode of Neck and Vlogs, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye!